How to find add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, launch Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the Bitmoji icon of your profile. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of Snap Map. So just tap on Snap Map, and as you do that, make sure that you have toggled off the ghost mode over here. So just tap on my friend. And as you do that, you can just go back, and here when you just zoom out, you'll be able to see different people and different friends that you have nearby you. So you can just select on the particular profile, and then as you tap on the profile, you'll be able to add them accordingly. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.